Imagine a nation where everyone has enough food to eat. Sounds ideal, right? Yet, achieving this goal is complex and challenging. Today, we'll unravel the intricate web of institutional arrangements that support food security. Food security occurs when all individuals have access to sufficient food. To ensure this, we need effective institutions and relevant laws in place. These frameworks guide how we respond to food security challenges. First, let's understand the legal framework. In Zambia, various laws address food security issues. The Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives oversees key legislation, like the Acts on Fisheries and Seed Production. This ensures food systems operate smoothly. Next, it's crucial to identify key sectors. Areas like agriculture, health, and education all play significant roles. By prioritizing these sectors, we enhance our food security efforts. Each sector contributes uniquely, building a holistic approach to food stability. Coordination among institutions is vital. Various national committees work together to align efforts. This prevents overlap and optimizes resource use. Effective communication ensures each institution knows its role, maximizing our collective impact. For example, consider the collaboration between health services and agricultural departments. Health programs can inform farmers about nutritional needs. In turn, farmers can grow crops that meet those needs, directly linking health and food supply. Summarizing an effective institutional framework is essential for addressing food security. Legal structures guide actions while coordination prevents waste. By focusing on key sectors and collaborating, we can move closer to guaranteeing food security for all. Ready to take action? Educate others about the importance of institutional arrangements in food security. Share this video, subscribe, and let's work together towards a world where everyone has enough to eat.